We've had several building companies starting to install their buildings. Sukup, Chief, Lester, a couple other ones coming in, but a lot of buildings going up right now. Two tent companies have come in, LTA and Lincoln Tent, and they've got several of the bigger tents in the air already. Roads are completed. Got completed about a week and a half ago, and they look really good. They're going to look nicer in 2014, but I think they're going to be in good shape for this year's show. And a little bit of equipment here is left over from the hay show, but we expect that to start coming in